Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for my own analysis, learning and for educational purpose. Please subscribe to my channel for daily watch list. I have created a Telegram channel whose link is given in description section. Please join my Telegram channel. In this channel I will post my daily watch list. Have not created the Telegram channel for providing tips. My motto is not to provide tips. Since my motto is to share the labels I share from which you can learn at what price I should buy, at what price I should sell, which stock we should select. So I share only labels for analysis. It is no way a tips. And I request all the viewers to avoid working on tips. Instead, start learning and improve your own skill. So uh, please join my Telegram channel, and then we'll move to our watch list. So first in our watch list, first we will analyze how it performed today. So today first in my radar was Escorts I had given sale below. First it was buy above 1237 and sell below 1225. So I could not trade in Escort. The reason is, see, first 5 minute candle, third candle was red, fourth candle, fifth candle was first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth candle was green, but still it did not break all previous highs. When I say it did not break all previous high, so see, in case of this type of candles, where wicks are bigger, when you are going to buy, and in buy side itself wicks are bigger than body, then you should wait for a very long time when 10, 15, 20 candles consolidate in a range, and then if that range breaks out, then we can enter in that side. And I have, see, my strategy, I trade only till 10:30 or 11, and I prefer that only. So once 12 or 25 was broken, then also I could not trade. These some news came up around 11:10 or 11:30, then the market itself started falling. That's why many stocks fell down today. One of them was a Scott also. So the second in my watch list was HCL. HCL was perfect trade for today. HCL, when the second candle hit the lower level, and third candle also started following the direction, then it was very good. It was one of the picture perfect trade of my strategy. So see, once it broke 885, then it moved up to 873. Who will wait up to 873? No one knows up to where a stock will move. So the best idea is to trail your SL. So I exited around 870, 876 or 77, between 876 and 877. The third in my list was Hindalco. Hindalco I had suggested to buy above this black line 175. So I got opportunity in this, but again I could not trade. So today I took trade only in HCL Tech, which was picture perfect, and it gave me around 7-8 rupees. And after that I could not trade. And now next for my 16th October watch list, first I have is SBI Life. The reason of selecting SBI Life is it was consolidating. First it was consolidating in the range of 820 to 8 803 to 820, and today even after severe fall in market it did not fall a lot. It did not fall big. So I have selected this. Either way it goes, we have our levels. So we will trade on our levels. So suppose if it breaks 820 in the upper side, then we will go in buy side with first target around 825, and then 828. It might touch 8 830 830 also. And if it breaks 803, then first it will take support at 795. So if it breaks 803 and it starts moving toward down, then 790s 98 97 you should be cautious, because this 795 will act as a good support. uh, so this was my level for SBI. Second is Petronet. The reason of selecting Petronet is, see, today even after this such fall at around 130, it did not fall a big, and instead it started taking support at 217, and then it moved up to 220. So tomorrow, if it breaks 220, then it may test 222 first. So 1 or 2 rupee, either way it will give. Or if it breaks 217, then it may come up to 215 first, and then 14. Third in my watch list is Power Grid. Power Grid I have selected due to my favorite strategy, which is first 15-minute candle, high and low. So today it was trading between 150 460 to 157. So now I feel if it breaks either side, then it will give 2 3 rupees movement. DMART also I have selected, but the problem with the DMART is this range is very huge. Range is very big. So in case, see, it is already 30 rupees movement. It gave today. So I mean, ideally it is okay with DMART. DMART moves in that way, but volume used to be less. So tomorrow, if it opens below 2000, not far away from 2000, 1990, if above 1990, and then if it breaks 2000, then it will give a 5-10 rupees movement in very few minutes. In case if it breaks 1970, so for 1970 also, it should not starts from 2000, and then if it breaks 1917, then there is no it is not a wise decision to enter in that trade, because it already have given a big movement. So tomorrow if it opens around 1980 85, and then if it breaks 1970, then it will give 5-10 rupees in the downside. I have selected Bata also. Bata also, the first 5-minute candle was unusual, and its high and low was not broken. So in previous, if you will see, then this type of first 15-minute candle was not there from the long time. And today market also was negative, so maybe due to that it could not break in the upside. So tomorrow if it breaks 1380, then we'll see for buying side. One thing, Nifty chart I wanted to show in daily time frame. So today's fall was because of news, but I still feel there will not be severe fall in the market. See, after from 10,000 triple seven to 12,000, I mean it was a good one-way movement of around 1,000 to 50 points. So this fall is, I don't feel it is a very big fall. Let's see how it performs tomorrow. But in my point of view, what I feel is, it should take support at today's low itself. If it opens above today's low, and then it should give movement of, I mean, it should not break today's low. So let's see how it is behaving tomorrow. So these were my stocks for tomorrow. Just analyze it, learn from my selection, and learn from the labels, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel also. Please join it. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.